legal battle delaying the demolition of the Washington Bridge is only adding to the anxiety of drivers who say they've been dealing with traffic for too long. The structure connecting East Providence to Providence needs to be completely rebuilt. But right now, the state hasn't said how this pause may impact the timeline. Our Shiina LoSciuto is in Providence now with what drivers are saying. Shiina?
So what does this mean and what evidence are they really looking for? Those are some of the questions that we're hearing from people. However, the state has not answered them just yet. As of today, it's been 252 days since the closure of the westbound side of the Washington Bridge. This week, the state announced demolition has been put on pause, citing that evidence must be preserved for its ongoing legal battle.
My initial thought is, why, after all these months, do they have to stop demolition of the Washington Bridge, where they had all these months to prepare for the evidence?
The state filed a lawsuit earlier this summer against 13 companies, all of which have worked on the bridge. The suit accusing them of failing to identify structural problems on the bridge. The list of defendants includes Aetna Bridge Company, the same company that's also been hired to do the demo work.
The people knocking the bridge down are being sued.
Aetna Bridge Company also built the bridge. There's no word on when the work might continue. Right now, the work zone near Gano Street is quiet, while frustrated drivers in East Providence have no issue airing out grievances.
It'll be many years, because this is going to take many years.
You know, and it's like, and I feel bad because people are really trying their best to put up with it, but it's so frustrating and people get very angry, and it's just not the way it should be.
And I did talk to East Providence Mayor Bob DeSilva's office today. They tell me that the city is in close contact with state officials. They, of course, want to make sure there is minimal impacts. The mayor there saying he hopes a new bridge will be up as soon as possible.
And Shiina, a lot of questions here today. What is RIDOT saying?
Not much at this point. I asked specifically today, at any point was this pause anticipated? I'm still waiting to hear back on that one.
All right, our Shiina LoSciuto live for us in Providence. Shiina, thank you.